Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to integrate Stripe Payment Gateway with Node JavaScript. So there are there are Stripe checkout, charges and payment. What you need to do is you need to install Node, get Stripe API keys, Postman for API calling and install Stripe dependency. Once you're done, so at first we're going to go into Stripe checkout. So like this, you're going to define a route, and then with like this copy you will click create a checkout session, and with this one it will be a page to confirm their purchase, and if it's successful then they will be directed into a success page, and if they want to cancel then another one for that one. And this is how your page should look like if it's a success or something like that. And there in this like this there is like charges and other. You can just check out this medium.com website to see which one you need, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.